Another one unit is ready to go. This customized transformer is for our Canada client. It's 10 MVA with high voltage at 69 kV, built to CSA standard, and with hotspot monitoring system and control box NIM 3R tab. After the FAT test, we will have to split it into several parts to keep it secure during the shipping transportation. Daelim is able to provide comprehensive pre-sales consultation and after-sales service, including technical support and maintenance. Our professional team will work with you through the whole process to ensure the stable operation of our power transformer during the use. Feel free to let us know if you need help.